How to record audio in Audacity. First, drag recording level handle to the left or right based on your needs. If the audio goes to the red parts of the meter while you're recording, decrease this recording level a bit. Then click on Audio Setup button and choose Rescan Audio Devices, so Audacity scan and find recording devices attached to your computer. Now click on the button again and under Recording Device, select the microphone you want to record with it. Set recording channels to mono or stereo based on your needs. Maybe for speeches mono is better, and for music stereo is better, but it depends on your needs. Here I set it to stereo. Now click on this red record button and record your audio. When you are done recording, click on the stop button or press the spacebar.
Once upon a time, there was a girl
Anyway
named
guys,
Mia
thanks
who
for
had a love
watching
for
and I
all
hope you
things
found this
creative.
useful.